The Vortman is a state-of-the-art plasma beam line. The Vortman comes in and it uses a advanced system that Vortman set up, and it uses a robotic arm with hypertherm plasma. It takes our beams from us doing it manually, things that we were doing in the shop manually that took an hour and a half, now takes 10 minutes. When the beams, tubes, channel, anything that's running through the beam line goes into the fabrication shop, those guys do pull dimensions. Each dimension is coming off a detailed drawing that we have from our detailers. Those dimensions are pulled. We tack the pieces on with the welders. Then we have welders that come behind, read the drawings to see what type of weld it is, and then they do the welding from there to finish out the product. The painting house is the original beam line that we had. It's a saw drill line, used compressed air. It was drilling holes. It still drills holes within 2 or 3 seconds. It does not do the burnouts, cope outs, the things that we were having to do manually, and that's why we switched to plasma. We have an AKS plasma machine. It has a hypertherm plasma on it as well. It's an AKS table. What that has done is it has taken us from having to order all our equipment, all our steel plate out. We do all our cutting on that plasma there. Any pieces that you see that run through the shop on the beams and or the miscellaneous side with the stairs come from that machine. It is also a technologically advanced system that using CAD and other products on the computer. If he shears them, he's shearing 4x8, 5x10 plate. Then he's taking it to the press. The press is all generated with a computer that moves the press distance back and forth. He does all our bent plate that controls the edge of slab and floors. Our estimating guys, when you're opening up these drawings, you do see nothing but feet and inches in fraction. Sometimes you'll see metric stuff in there. So you have to be able to convert those. You have to understand, you have to know how to read a tape measure into, because a lot of the stuff is scaled off. Project management is across the industry. Everybody has a project manager. Your project managers are the guys who run the job. There's a lot of organization involved in there. There's a lot of responsibility involved.
Howdy, my name is Justin Hash. I'm a student at North Gaston High School. I'm an intern here at Steel Specialties. During my internship hours, I flip-flop between different areas in the shops, from structural to miscellaneous. During a regular work day, I'm out there in shipping and receiving. I like working here because I get to see all the views of the business, from shipping, receiving, welding, fitting, laying out stairs, between ordering material, looking at blueprints, measurements. I'm a Gaston College student. I started it at the beginning of my junior year. I've been through MIG, TIG, flux, stick pipe, stick plate, oxy-fuel, cutting and processing, blueprint, print reading, symbols and specs, all of it. I started that just because I wanted to weld, because I knew how to weld, I just didn't really know the whole background of blueprints and stuff. Through that, I've met a lot of good people. I've learned to weld. I've learned different trades in welding. I learned about this place through it.
Here by 2 o'clock, and we get started, and we just trying to figure things out as we go. Usually it's an hour and 30 minutes, every 5 days a week, and then sometimes we come in on Saturdays, but this week we stayed till 5:30. So it just all depends on really what we want to do versus what kind of work they have for us. So I started thinking about welding when I was 13. I just thought it was pretty cool. And then over there I got in my junior year, so last year, first semester, went through the Welding 1 program, and then this year finished up my Welding 2 the first semester. But I mean, I just enjoyed it, and then the money to be made, you know, traveling, so on and so forth, and you know, you always have a job.
They don't have a problem teaching us what if you want to learn and you come here, they will teach you.